Right! Right! Eight! Bring it! Understand me, and you probably never will. Probably never will. A tendency to self-destruct, and a soft spot for the filth. A hair-triggered temperament, a switchblade for attack. Switchblade for attack. Walking white man genocide, black belt incorrupt. Everything I touch turns to ashes, falls away. Rabbit beast! Savage rabbit beast! Called so many fucking things that affect me in the least. I stole, I lied, been crucified, but I don't regret a thing. Don't regret a thing. I'm an egocentric masochist with a sadist point of black.